Good morning, students. Welcome back to your online classes. Now we will continue with our syllabus, and in our syllabus we are having the chapter set. Chapter number 5, exercises 5.1, 2 and 3. So today we will discuss about set. What is a set and about its definition. So open your books, page number 61. So when we talk about set, set is collection of objects. When we ask anyone, students, they will say that set is a collection of object, but this definition is wrong. Okay, because set is a well defined collection of sets. Well defined collection of objects. Okay, we can use here the word distinct also. Well defined and distinct. Okay, now what we call well defined. Yes, if a child will not write well defined in the definition, that definition will be totally wrong. This is totally wrong that it is a collection of objects. We have to use these two words in the definition. Okay, when we will not use these two words, the definition is totally wrong. Well defined means that the objects belongs to a set or not. It is well defined or not. Suppose, let us take an example of let me explain you with an example. I'm going to take an example. I'm going to take an example of colors of rainbow. So if I write 7 colors of rainbow, now it is well defined. Why? Because students, I mentioned that you have to tell all the 7 colors of rainbow. Okay, it is well defined. And if I say 2 colors, mention any 2 colors of rainbow. 2 colors means one will say violet, indigo. Other person will say green and red. And someone else will say blue and yellow. See children, now here options, all the answers are different. One student is saying violet and indigo, other one is saying green and red, other one is saying blue and yellow. Why the answers are different? Because they have mentioned 2 colors. Okay, question is not having the well defined answer, and here it is not a set, it is not a set. But if I say, okay, tell me the 7 colors of rainbow, every child, first child, second child and the third child, every child will give me the same answer: violet, indigo. You remember this, Vibgyor? They will say violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Everyone will give me the same answer. So whenever we will get the same answer, that question is well defined. We all are having the same concept. Okay, so first point is they have to mention well defined in the definition. Now second point which I have taken in the definition, that point is distinct. If I talk children, that point is distinct. Distinct means that nothing should be repeated. Okay, it should be only given once. It should be listed once. I will not say violet and violet. I will not say red and red. So that should not be repeated. So distinct means repetition is avoided. Okay, understood? Now, in our definition, if we ask what is a set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects. So, we will not say that set is a collection of objects. So, that will be an incomplete definition. So, see children, page number 61. Here we will go with the concept. Here, see. One, you will find this. One, you will find this. This means belongs to. This means does not belongs to. Fine children. Now A, suppose I have taken A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and I am asking, is 1 belongs to A? Is 1 is there in the set A? Answer will be yes. 1 is here. Okay, if I say, is 5 belongs to A? Is 5A belongs to A? No. So this means belongs to. This means does not belongs to. Understood the concept? Now I'm going to rub this one also. See the next one. So the next is our notation. Our notation of set. Always a set is defined with a capital red. Any letter from the alphabet A to Z. Suppose I've taken this. This is the notation. Whatever elements, these are, suppose I am writing here the vowels A, E, I, O and U. These are known as the elements. These are known as the elements. Fine. We can call it elements also, and always it is mentioned in small letters. This is always in capital letter and this is always in small letters with the curly bracket. These are known as curly bracket, or you can say curly braces. Now children, you can turn your book, page number 62. Okay. Now we can say this element also, you can say this member also. As we people are, suppose you are having 4 family members, mother, father, brother, sister, 4 members. Similarly, this set is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 members, 5 elements. Okay, and see your books, page 62 now children, page number 62. There they have given you one note, blue color note. What is written in that note? Your first point is that, suppose I have given any question to it, 2 children. Suppose I have given one question to 2 children. Okay, I have given the question, okay, write down the vowels of English alphabet. So one child has written A, E, I, O, U. The other child has taken as U, O, I, E, A. So whether both are correct or not? Yes. This child and this child, both will get the same marks. Both answers are correct. Okay. So you can write in any order. You can write in any order. Okay. Either this way, or you can write O, I, E. Okay. A, or you can write U, I, E, O, A. Okay, fine. So this is your first point of note. Note this, that any order, you can take any order by writing the answer, but elements should be same. If it is having 5 elements, same elements should be there. Okay, second point is there. See children, second point is that there should not be any type of repetition. Suppose I am taking one example. I am taking the name. Suppose I am taking an example of set of words in Reena. Okay. Now children, when I will make notation, when I will make a set, what I will write? I will take R, I will take E, I will take N, I will take A. All these elements should be in small letters with the help of commas you have to put. And see now, here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. 5 elements are there. But I have taken only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Because see, these two are same. So our next point in the note is repetition is not allowed. Repetition is not allowed. Fine, students? Our first point you have to keep it in mind is that you can write in any order. Element should be same. Okay, then you will get the full marks. Second point is wherever there any alphabet or any word object element is repeated, that repetition is not allowed when you are giving the answer. Now children, come to your exercise. See page number 63. See page 63. Your first sum is whether it is a set or not a set. 63. This is your exercise 5.1. So today we will try to complete exercise 5.1. Okay. See children, first is what I have discussed, all the colors of the rainbow. All the colors of rainbow, it means that it is a set. It is a set. Okay. Similarly, children, I will not do all the answers. You try yourself. If you face any problem, then you can discuss with me. Because you have to see whether it is set or not and why it is a set. It is a set because reason is it is well defined. Okay. This is very necessary for a set. Okay. Now, second one. See the second one, children. A is given. A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E, F, D, E, F. And your question is similarly I have given you like belongs to, does not belongs to. Okay, now they are asking D dash A. Now you have to put the symbol belongs to or does not belongs to. Fine. Now D, C. D is there in the A set? Yes. So D belongs to A. Okay, now we will take something that is does not belong to. We will take the third one. M. M belongs to A. Is M there in the set of A? We are not finding any M here. So M does not belongs to A. Okay, now see the third sum. Third is, again you have been given some sets. A is given 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. And B is given 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. C is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. C is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Children, see your books. Your first question is 1 dash C. First one is 1 dash C. Again we have to put whether it belongs to or it does not belongs to. So 1. Is 1 there in the set C? 1 is there? No. So we will write here does not belongs to. Okay. Now take the fourth one. I am taking the fourth one 9 dash A. See children, 9 Is 9 dash A means is 9 there in the set A? Yes, 9 is there. So we will write 9 belongs to A. Now I think it is clear. Whichever is well defined, that is a set. Whichever is not well defined, so that is not a set. And here also you have to put only the symbol belongs to, does not belongs to. Third one is also same. Now see the fourth one. Fourth one is same thing we have to see, but here they have given us true false. We have to just answer whether it is true or false. See, our fourth one is, first of all I will write both the set A is equal to 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and B is given here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. Okay, now children, your question is, first one is, here you have to tell whether it is true or false. Fine. So first is 1 belongs to B. They are saying 1 belongs to B. 1 is there in the set B. See, can you find out any 1 here? No, I can't see any 1 here. So this is false. Fine. Now see, I am going to take 10. Does not belong to A. 10 does not belongs to, sorry, B, not A, B. See, 10 does not belongs to B. Is it true, false? They are saying 10 is not in B. Can you find any 10 here? No. Means they are saying the correct thing. So that is true. 10 is not in the set B. So coming to the last question, write the set whose elements are, see children, students, they have given A, E, I, O, U. They have given us this. So we have to write this in the form of set. Set means that whatever elements has been given, that you have to put in curly bracket, or you can say braces. Okay, you can give it any name also, like A. Fine children. Fourth is same way, belongs to, does not belongs to is already given. Only you have to mention whether it is true or false. And the last one, fifth one is that we have to write all these elements in the form of set. Means we have to put that in curly bracket. Is it clear, children? Okay, now I think this much is okay for today. After doing these 5 sums, we have completed our exercise 5.1, this one. And students, I hope that in every class, we will try to complete one exercise. If you all will cooperate with me, I hope you all understood this. Now we will meet in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.